Okay, I'm here on the floor of the NCTA convention with
Hi,
Frank
I'm John,
Kevin from
and I'm here to tell you about the latest eBay app that brings the window
Brian, thank you.
shopping
I've seen
experience
1,000
directly
apps
to
for
your
the iPad, but not one that
eBay
allows
for
me to
iPad is the
interface
newest
with
way
my
to
cable
shop
box.
on the go.
Well, that's what we think
Delivers
we
a
have,
stunning
something
visual
pretty cool.
shopping
Here's an
experience
iPad,
and takes advantage of the
state-of-the-art
device's
technology,
larger screen and
running on
image
the internet
resolution
using
to give you a
Wi-Fi.
gallery
We
view
pair
of key
the
merchandise
iPad to
so you
your
can visually
cable
browse
box
the millions of
through the
items on
magic
eBay
of
and
our
find what you
eBay
want in
application.
minutes.
Once that has happened, it's the same
When you open the
as
application,
pairing
you'll see an
Bluetooth with a
instant
smartphone
gallery
in
of the
your car.
latest eBay
You now
offerings.
have
On
a
the top
beautiful
row,
looking
eBay features
graphic
its popular
giving
daily
you all of your
deals,
channel
which are
choices.
limited time items
If I go to
that have
Comcast
special
on
low fixed
demand,
prices and
what you'll
free
see is
shipping.
lots of choices.
On the bottom
And you
row,
can
you'll
scroll
see
through
eBay's
that.
latest
Or
deals in a
if I also
variety of
want to say
categories.
go
While
to
using
search,
the app, if you're not already logged
up
in,
comes a
you can
keyboard.
do so
That's
at
been
any
the
time
missing link for
without
a lot of us
interrupting
with
your
the cable
search.
box. How do I
Whenever you
search
go to watch,
70,000
bid, or
on-demand
buy,
shows
the app
and
flips up the
beyond?
page you're on
I can
to
then
reveal a
close
login
up the
screen.
keyboard, and I'm
Once
back
you're done
here. I
entering
can
your
look at just
information,
movies
you'll be
or
taken back to
sports.
your original screen.
And once again, I can now use it for something that I think
When you
is the
sign
most
into your
important
eBay
element,
account,
which is
you can
actually
view your
using
watched
the control
items,
TV.
won auctions,
So if I want to watch
and
the Food
even your own
Network,
listings.
I turn to
So
watch
let's
on
start
TV,
shopping. My nephew is 8,
and just like that,
and he's really
it changes
into
channel
die-cast
to Chef
cars.
versus City.
I simply tap on the
Now,
search
if I want to
box,
say,
and
let's
the
watch
pop-up
Gangs of New
keyboard,
York,
type
I
Howie.
could record, or I could watch on TV. So again, we've changed the
I
Gangs
want
of
to
New
keep
York.
my search
But now it also
with
lets me
die-cast cars,
invite a friend.
so I tap on the All
So I'm going to say
Categories
invite
tab.
friend. Up comes
Then,
Kevin. Now,
the die-cast
he doesn't
and
even
toy
have to know if
vehicle
he's got
subcategory.
AMC or what
The
channel
screen
it is.
refreshes
All he
to
has
show
to
only
do is
listings
respond to my
relevant to
invitation.
my search.
And there it
From
is.
here,
Instantaneously,
finding
you've
your
popped up,
search is
and
fast
you've invited me to
with
watch
the
Gangs of New
filter
York.
tabs
Of
at the top of
course,
the
on
screen.
TV.
And over
Another
here at
great
this TV,
feature is
in
that
your
you can
house,
define
you've now
your
switched
price
to Gangs of
range
New York. You don't even
so that
have
you
to know
only see the
whether you had the
listings
channel,
that
what
fit
channel number
your
it is.
budget.
We're pretty excited. We
When I
think
find
there's a lot
something
more
of
innovation to
interest,
come.
I just
as
tap
this
on the image
liberates us
and I
from
can
the
check
cable
out the
box,
full product
puts it in the power of
descriptions,
the consumer.
browse stunning high-res images, review the seller information, and their feedback. And if I want to check out the next item, I simply use the arrow buttons at the top. I'm also able to watch, bid, and even buy directly from this window. I just tap on the relevant button, and I'm set. All this without ever leaving the search results screen so that I can get back to my window shopping instantly. Like checking out a real Audi for me.